Alright, so I'm pretty sure you guys know who's on the call
Oh, hi.
just by hearing their voices. Nathan.
Oh, and Nathan.
Hello, I'm on the call.
So, Nathan, Tornado Girl came to our school today.
Really?
Yeah, we had a tornado drill, and Tornado Girl started walking throughout the hallways.
You had a tornado drill?
Yeah.
You guys, surprised you guys got tornado drills going on.
You're in fun, though.
I don't care.
Did you get to see Tornado Girl?
I got to see Tornado Girl.
Alright, I'm already opening it up, so.
Oh. Yeah, we got the 1839 and some.
Did you really have to spoil it?
Maybe not. We'll have to see. We don't know what it is yet.
That's what I'm guessing.
It's not the
Can you stop saying?
Okay.
Now I have to mute the video. It's supposed to be a surprise.
Oh, sorry.
Both clearly do not know. We'll go ahead and just open this up. Pretty interesting alarm.
Yeah.
Okay, so here it is. So, the button. Okay, so, yeah, one thing I'm already noticing is the button does not press the same way as the 330 LSG does.
It doesn't?
It doesn't press the same way. I'll go ahead and get my two other Dicon / Mastercraft units. See, this one's the 300. And here's the 330 LSG. They push like that. This one is just like, it's more of a clicky kind of style. And I'm not exactly sure, but here's the base, by the way. I'm not exactly sure about this unit that much, because this connection is really weird. Because there's a dark red, and a black wire, which I have no idea what that means.
A dark red and a black wire.
A dark red and a regular red and a black wire. I have absolutely no idea how I'm going to test this. Let me see if...
Look at the manual.
There's no manual.
Oh, then we're screwed.
I'm pretty sure dark red would be the interconnect wire.
Probably.
Black would be negative, red would be positive. But don't quote me on that because I don't want your house to blow up.
True. Make sure you have it plugged into a GFCI outlet.
Yeah, so do it in your washroom. There should be a GFCI outlet in there. If not, then I'd be kind of concerned.
There is.
Okay, then yeah, you can do it in your washroom.
Okay, so anyways, this unit is probably my first smoke / heat alarm that I have. Before you guys start bashing me in the comments about the ESLs, those are system detectors, I'm calling them. This is a smoke alarm, technically. So, I don't know how, it did not come with the manual.
Probably a video soon.
Yeah, I'll have a video of this thing testing somewhere near the future. So, anyways, hope you all enjoyed this video, and that will be it. Are you guys gonna say bye?
Bye bye.